Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to promote DropBox weekly settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we search about DropBox. In this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then here you will click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of DropBox. Here in this page you will update your app in this blue sign. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.